this video, I will show you how to fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 10 or 11. To fix Windows Update error, start by running the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. First step, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Navigate to Settings, so go ahead and scroll down at the bottom left corner of your screen. And under this, you'll be able to find the Start menu. On the Start menu, go ahead and click on the Settings button. Now on the Settings page, what you can do is to click on that Update and Security tab. So you'll find that at the bottom of the list. Now under the Update and Security tab, you'll find the Troubleshoot tab. So go ahead and head over into that Troubleshoot tab. Click on Additional Troubleshooters, and under that, simply select Windows Update. Now under Windows Update, you'll be able to find this Run the Troubleshooter button. Click on that and follow the on-screen instructions to accomplish that. Now if this doesn't work, what you can do is to go ahead and check for disk space. So to be able to check your disk space, head over into the File Manager tab. Now, under the File Manager, you'll be able to find your disks at the left side. Right-click on that and click on Properties. Now, on the Properties pop-up, you'll be able to find your available disks along with the consumed disk space. Ensure your hard drive has enough free space, as insufficient space can prevent updates from downloading or installing. Delete unnecessary files or move data to another drive. And the last option that you have is to go ahead and update your drivers. To do that, go ahead and search for Device Manager on the search menu. Now on the Device Manager, you'll be able to find all of the available drivers on your PC or laptop. Outdated or corrupted drivers can interfere with updates. Check for updates for your device drivers in Device Manager, and you can also update BIOS or drivers with the latest version on your device. And that's basically how you can fix that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.